Alright, next thing, you can add in some water. Immediately your spicy sourish broth is
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some very nice seafood today, some prawns, this is siakap fish cutlet. I'm going to make use of this to make a sour, spicy seafood stew. The weather is really killing me and too hot. I need something sourish to spice up my taste bud a bit, yeah? And what is it that I'm going to use to create the sourish? These are the thing. I'm going to use the pickled chili, yeah, pickled chili, red pickled chili, and also green pickled chili. I highly recommend this brand called Tan Tan Xiang. Tan Tan Xiang. I got it from Shopee anyway. So the flavor is just nice for local. I would say not too spicy, not too salty, just nice. Yeah, and of course I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well. And we will need a bit of minced garlic and also ginger. And I so happen to have some this is tofu, so I'll be adding my tofu as well. So let's give it a little bit of oil here. Put in the ginger, garlic. Give it 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of the pickled chili. Red, this is the red one. I'm adding some green one as well. Now, whenever you are cooking anything with pickled or fermented, you do want to saute a bit so that it can actually remove the earthiness inside. So saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Wow, already super fragrant. I already gotten most of the flavor I wanted. That's how simple it is when you use the right ingredient. Alright, next thing, you can add in some water. Immediately your spicy sourish broth is almost done. You just have to give it some seasoning right now. Give it some salt. A bit of sugar. A bit of light soy sauce, or you can put in fish sauce. You can put in a bit of Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. And as you all know, Appa always like to turn my water into chicken stock by adding in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. For those not interested, it doesn't matter, don't worry about it. And then we want to bring this to a boil. Now that the sour broth started to boil, we can now put in the fish. Put in the tofu. I'll put in the prawn a little bit later because prawn we should not cook more than 3 minutes. But this fish probably 5 to 6. Alright, this is after the first 3 minutes. I'm going to add in the prawns. And that's one of the reasons why I actually quite like to use electric hob or induction hob, because it has a timer. Makes my life easier. And it's not too hot. If you're using fire stove, imagine in this kind of weather, oh my god, terrible. Actually, if you can serve this whole pot here like a steamboat or little whole hot pot, ooh, that is going to look so good. Alright, total cooking time for this, all in seafood inside the broth, approximately 6 minutes in total. It is basically done. You can also see the tofu already started to expand, meaning it has soaked out the nice soury flavor. Well, this is going to make me eat a lot of rice. My God. Okay, it's basically done. I can off the fire. No need to starch. Alright, here's the seafood. Here's the broth. Golden broth. Sourish. Aha, look at how nice it looks. Not done yet. Give it some fresh coriander on top. And a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Very simple seafood stew, sourish flavor in less than 10 minutes. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.